I tried. I love Amanda. She was, like I said, she was one of the first beauty gurus that I would watch, and I would see her contour videos, and I just fell in love with her. As soon as I saw her videos, I was like, oh my god, I freaking love her. I want to be her best friend. Like, girl. So Amanda, if you are watching, hi. I love you, and I wish I could meet you. Oh my gosh. Look at Rose. Yes, I had to create hers. She's such a beautiful boss babe, and I just love her. So Desert Dusk, you don't have to be confused anymore. You can definitely get your hands on it because me and Amanda said so.
Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, let's go. Throw that ass in the circle, throw that ass in the circle, fuck it ass in the circle, throw that ass in the circle. Go best friend, go best friend, go best friend, go best friend.
Shadow primer in Eden. And to blend out the primer, I'm going to use my Morphe Y15. And I do have a coupon code for Morphe. As always, it's just Amanda. You can use it online or in the store. Okay, so I'm going to show you the packaging. For the shade Eden, which is this peachy color right here. And I'm going to use this as my transition color. Take Saffron, which is this red matte shade, and I'm taking this is a Morphe M573, it's like a pointed crease brush. There's a little bit of kickback when I push it into the pan, same with the first. Let's see how it applies. So far it's really creamy, really pigmented, really bold, as you can see.
Yes, guys, she is right. So we're gonna fix that. We're not gonna really look like this. I would need on this side too. Oh my boy.
I'm gonna mix some of Desert Sand, the beige color.
Oh, hold on, girl. You went too fast for me.
And some more of Eden. It goes on really strong, but it seems to be blending quite easily. As far as the harshness of the color, because it's a very strong color.
Yeah.
Red can look
getting a lot of
really tricky on the eyes.
harshness.
So now I'm gonna take some.
You ain't lying. Hold on, because you said, hold on, I gotta pause. And she said,
Of oud. This brown color right here. And I'm gonna use that same brush. This one doesn't have as much kickback in the pan whenever I'm putting on my brush.
To make glitter stay, so
The glitter is a little bit everywhere. It's a little bit. So I'm gonna take Celestial first, which is a gold color, lay it down, and then try to put Cosmo on top. Maybe it'll do like a multi-dimensional something cool. So I'm gonna take Celestial on a little lid brush. Oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. It's a duochrome gold.
Just to see what it looks like for the Cosmo eyeshadow.
Nervous. A little bit of fallout.
Wrong, so I don't know where I put them at. Hold on, Amanda, hold on.
Cross that off my bucket list. To buy, and it looks so good. If you've gotten your brows microbladed or you have opinions on it, let me know in the comments. I'm very interested to know what you guys think in microblading. I'm gonna set my brows with the Kelly Baker Clear Brow Gel. I don't know why my brows are giving me a hard time today, but they are. They're just the front part of
because we gotta diminish these pores. We don't want them to show. So, Fenty foundation.
It's a little bit darker than me, but that's okay. I'm gonna use my Morphe E56 today. I used a beauty blender last time, but I haven't got to try it with a brush yet. So I'm going to work on one side at a time. I really love this foundation. Like, it wore so nice, and it's going on really nice with a brush. Like, flawless. Oh my gosh, oh my god. I haven't been excited about a foundation. I'm gonna use Tarte Shade Tape and Light for my concealer. This is a little bit light for me right now, but once I set it. Favorite brush, I always wanna go and get like 2 more.
Oh yeah.
You know what, I do that with candles too. This is so random.
Oh, candles is good for you, girl. Candles is...
With my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and my beauty blender. I always bake my under eyes first because that's what tends to crease first. And then I'm gonna bake the sides of my nose, also the tip where it get like oily. And then take the excess where I get any oils, like in my T-zone area, tends to get a little bit oily sometimes. I'm also gonna bake right underneath where I contour. I'm gonna let this bake for a couple of minutes, dust off the excess, and then we'll be back to finish the base. I actually just got my brows done by Kelly Baker. She's the best, and my brows look Maybelline Master Bronze palette today, and this one contour and this one bronze. I'm gonna take my Morphe M5 dark first. And take this color closer to the hairline.
So I'm gonna use... Okay, she's contouring. So for my contour contour, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Chocolate Soul.
A darker color first. And keep this color closer to the hairline. And you can see how I baked underneath. That helps create a little guideline for when you contour. It makes it easier. I'm gonna go on the temples. I'm gonna go right here on the sides of my chin. It's like my new favorite thing to contour on the sides of my chin. It makes your face look really chiseled. And then I'm gonna go on the jawline. I'm gonna take this smaller brush to contour my nose. Same brush that I just used, and this kind of matches my eyes. This is one of my favorite drugstore blushes. These baked blushes from Milani are so nice.
I haven't gotten them because I don't know how they really work, but I have my Maybelline. So we're gonna use my Maybelline Blush and Water.
Just like that. I'm gonna take Milani Rose d'Oro blush. I'm using the same brush that I just used, and this kind of matches my eyes. This is one of my favorite drugstore blushes. These baked blushes from Milani are so nice. I'm gonna take right above. And these blushes last forever. And I'm gonna take a little bit on the top of my nose, and right here. And a little bit on my forehead because why not? It just adds warmth to the skin. For my highlight, I'm gonna mix two different colors. I'm gonna try first Fenty Beauty Fire Crystal. I'm gonna take this color, and then I'm gonna.
Super intense. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm going to spray it with my Sunkiss highlighter.
And I'm using my Morphe R36 brush, my favorite highlight brush. Like, wow. I'm gonna add a little bit right here, kind of cupping the eye. I'm gonna take a smaller brush for my nose bling, my nose highlight. Then I'm also gonna go right here in the little curve of my nose, between my eyes. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of Fire Crystal. Let's see. Okay, so pretty, but I want it to be more of a gold look. Wow, so pretty. I'm gonna go with more Hustler Baby. Living. I'm gonna go back to Hustler Baby on the inner corner of my eye. Add a little pop. So to finish my eyes, I'm gonna take a nude eyeliner first. Right here, the red color, and start buffing that on the lower lash line. I'm gonna mix some of Amber as well, which is like a saddle red.
Being that I did that already, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the bronzers from here. Because if you know me, you know I love Cardi by Bell's products.
And then
Me too. I'm just gonna clean up my crease.
And I need the Shayla Maybelline mascara for my lower lashes. Washing me out a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with some lip gloss. I'm gonna take the new Fenty gloss and put this right over top. Much better. So here's the final. Really dark, but everything else worked pretty good, and I really like the way. Again, I'll keep you guys updated as I use her brand more and her products more, and I test out the palette more. So make sure you're following me on my other social media platforms so you can stay updated. I'll link them all down below. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the brand. If you've tried out this palette or her lips or anything else. I do really like the lashes. Like, the more I look at the lashes, the more I really like them. I'll definitely be wearing these more. Also, if there are any other products or brands you guys would like to see a first impression on, make sure to leave me that down below as well.
And the original person who started this trend was, I believe, Thomas. It's linked down below. I don't want to say the wrong name, but I loved the video and I couldn't wait to get my hands on to try one of Amanda's videos. If you like this video, please try tagging her, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl, and I definitely can't wait to get back with more different tips for you guys, so stay tuned. Love you. Bye.
Fuck it up, fuck it up, let's go. Throw that ass in the circle, throw that ass in